Hello and welcome back. I'm your friendly neighborhood technician. Today we are going to throw on some thinner spring pads. Alright, so we're going to be using the factory Mercedes spring compressor, which is the top part right here, the bottom part, and then the actual compressor itself. You can use pretty much any whatever kind you want, but this is the kind we are going to use. So you can see right there, that's how that's going to sit in the top one. There's notches for each one of those 3 tabs right there, and then that's how it's going to sit in the bottom one. You want to get these as far apart as possible, because if you put them close together, you're not going to be able to compress the spring enough to get that pad out of there. And as you can see, 1, 2, 3 tabs right there. Now we're just going to go to town with the ratchet, and I'm not using an impact. There's the old one, there's the new one, compressed spring. I think it's gonna go down a lot further than 5 millimeters. Because there's a new one, there's the old one. And when you're reinstalling the spring, you wanna make sure the bottom of the spring is pressed up against that notch right there on the bottom control arm. Alrighty, here's the after. Just drove it around the parking lot real quick. You can see the gap here is a lot smaller. We started out at 682.625 millimeters, then went down to 668.35 millimeters. So there's quite a bit of difference in height on that side. And then the other side, we started at 687.4 millimeters and then went down to 676, if I can get that there, 676.2 millimeters. So dropped that one, looks like about 11 millimeters. And the other side came down, what is that, 14 millimeters? Something like that, I think, I'm guessing. Somebody correct my math. Either way, looks a lot better. We'll go through and do an alignment in another video and make sure everything's straight. But yeah, I like the way it looks. So that's it for this video. Another quick one there. If you have any questions, shoot it down below. Make sure you give me that thumbs up, hit subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification icon when I post a new video, so you can get a notification when I post a new video. Thank you very much. See you next time.